Welcome. We are signing up to create a USD account. Amazon pays royalties only in USD, so you need to have a USD account that you can connect to your Amazon KDP. This is solely for people who cannot directly access the payment part on Amazon without having a USD account. So I'm going to walk you through on this video. Let's get to it. After signing up on Amazon, we are also going to open a US bank account. For those outside the United States, you will need a US bank account to receive your payment. I personally recommend Grey to create US account, and it works perfectly with KDP. So all you need to do is go on your Google and type Grey account sign up. So once you type Grey account sign up, you would see the first result here, Grey. It says Grey International Money Transfers and Foreign Bank Accounts. So click on that. You provide your country. So this is it. It's asking you what country do you live in. So if you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria and then you click on continue, and then it will tell you to proceed with Nigeria. So you need your valid ID, which could be your driver's license, your international passport, to continue registration. You sign up with your Google and then you can get all that set up. If you have any questions regarding Grey, you can leave it in the community. There will be someone to get back to you and walk you through the steps. So I would see you on the next class to continue creating our book.